You need help?
No.
Does your nose itch?
I can't bend my arm that far yet.
Try it. Just try.
I can't because there's a...
Oh, you're almost there. Look it. Look it. There you go.
I want some more.
Eat it all up.
I still want some jerky.
We'll get you some.
The surgery's already done.
Yeah? Get to go home after you eat.
Sakuma is a good surgeon.
Is he?
Not. More toast.
Pretty good toast.
They buttered it perfectly.
Too bad Dad can't make toast like that.
He just leaves it in the